Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Columbus, local and long distance movers near me. People moving to Columbus from other towns or states will need our long distance moving services because they'll move their things across the state boundaries. Those moving over 50 miles within Columbus will need our professionalism. Fortunately, we're always at your service whether you're relocating to a new place within Columbus or moving from towns or states. We also have a credible track record which can verify with our past clients. Our long-distance moving services are also timely, convenient, efficient, and affordable. Our connection to state and federal authorities in charge of long-distance relocations helps us to meet with the industry standards. We also have insurance for accidents and property damage or loss. Our trucks also have large spaces and are sturdy enough to travel long distances without breaking down on the highway. Our truck drivers also have several years of experience crossing state borders without stress. Hence, you get an excellent all-around relocation when you hire 3 Movers for your long-distance moving services. We also have the best local movers in Columbus, and our past clients within the town can testify to our expertise when executing local relocations. Our good relocation services cost less than most companies. We charge as low as $30 to $40 an hour, and you'll get the best services for this price. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Columbus moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. Request a free quote using our online request form.